Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Honda Civic LX. Under the hood we have a 2.0 liter i4 engine and a 6-speed manual transmission. This guy's in blue. It looks awesome. I do love that color. You do have the Honda badging up front there with your projector style lights, and they are very bright. Coming around the side here, we do have our Toyo brand tires with our 16-inch rims. They look fantastic. You do also have your mirrors hanging out right there, and coming around to the back of the vehicle, you got that Civic badging as well as the Honda and your backup camera right there. And on the keys, we can just press the button to open up the back. Lots of room back here. You do have your spare mats there as well, and you can fold those seats forward if you did need. We got our keys here. We got 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock. We got that one to open up the back, and a panic button there. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all there. That guy down there does open up the trunk. You got your handle and another handle there. Looks awesome in here. The two-tone seats are very comfortable and they are very nice and soft. You have the control over the traction control right here, and up here we got the controls over the lights. So we have our auto, off, daytime running lights, and low beams, as well as our turning signals. Okay, manual transmission, so foot on the clutch, and we can start it right up. Now we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and engine temperature. Right in the center, it also tells us how many kilometers we have, which is 22,000. That is not bad at all. Now it does also tell us our range, our average fuel. Then we can switch our different channels, and we do have different options like our fuel. Then we have our options, we have our music, our phone options, and we can switch different things around there. Now that is controlled from your steering wheel right here with your different options, your volume up and down, and Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and then cruise control options right there. And up here we do have our controls over our windshield wipers. Right in the center here we do have our touchscreen display. It looks very nice. You got your audio options here. You do have your home. If you hit that guy, you do see all the different things. So your audio, phone, info, Honda Link, smart, all that stuff. Volume up and down with their menu and your back. If you hit this guy, you can see that our source is there. So we have FM, AM, we have USB, aux cord, and Bluetooth. Then you do also have your backup camera when you are in reverse, just like that, looking great, keeping you nice and safe. And then down here we do have the temperature control up and down, your climate button. Then you also have your circulation there, front and rear defrost, and the power. Heated seats right there, and some storage there, and some more just down there. You have your manual gear shift right here with your parking brake there. And then you have your econ mode. You have your cup holders here, and this guy does slide back and lift up. Then you got some storage down there. You can slide that guy around. You got another cup holder right there. And then in the center you do have your glove box. Looks great, lots of room in there. And up top you do have your lights. In the back here it is a coupe, so you just gotta slide those seats forward. You do have your 3 seats back here. They look awesome. You do also have a little bit of storage on the side there. Here's our 2-liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2017 Honda Civic LX. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.